Hi everyone. So today I want to share with you that in my home I have a beautiful Labrador Retriever, and she honestly is an angel on earth. She is so wise. And what I've noticed is that during the course of this roller coaster lockdown, my wise angel is steps ahead of me. And as soon as I'm starting to get stressed and I can feel my voice raising and I'm getting frustrated because I'm again dealing with Telcom or one of those frustrating call centers, or the children have done something that has broken a boundary, and the intuitiveness of how she picks up the change in my voice before I even do. And suddenly I'll see her get up and walk out the room. That she's my beautiful canary in the mine. She's ahead of me to warn me of the dangers, that I need to stop. I need to go and take a 10-minute break and check out from the demands of my children, check out from the demands of my work, and go and catch my breath. Because it is in the catching of your breath, whether it be 5 minutes or 10 minutes or an hour, whatever is available to you, just that opportunity to reset brings you back a bit more recharged, a bit more able to cope, and not depleting your tank to rock bottom. I don't know who your canary is, who helps you get that pre-check of before you tip over, and I hope that you have a little sacred space where you can go and recharge your batteries, be kind to yourself, grab a cup of coffee and catch your breath. And just know that in the catching of your breath, that serves your children. So from my heart to yours, look after you.